Look at these. Food service car wash, $19 an hour. $100,000 for general manager. We were at Buc-Ee's. I ain't never seen a gas station. There's like 100 stalls out here. It's crazy. They said we had to come see Buc-Ee's, so we stopped. Nayo, where we at, buddy?
At a gas station.
At a gas station? It's not even like a gas station I ever seen. Mama, what do you think about this gas station?
I don't know. It looks real big. It's probably got a whole bunch of like shopping. It looks like a shopping mall. That's what it looks like. So we're gonna go in and check out Buc-Ee's. Follow us.
Buc-Ee's.
I need to go.
All right, this is the. Is this the world's biggest gas
You want a
station
picture
or
with
what?
the Buc-Ee? I'll take your picture. I left my phone in the
I
Yes,
love.
you
It's a beaver.
A beaver? A Buc-Ee beaver?
Yeah. Buc-Ee. And Buc-Ee'S. And Buc-Ee'S.
Wow. Y'all
Look
are so
at his
cute.
ears.
All right, so when you walk in, you guys want to grab a cart or no? They have like shopping carts here. It's crazy. Crazy. This is like the world's biggest gas station of life. So they do have like the regular gas station fill.
The greatest gas station in the world.
They have the gas station fill, but then it's like a gas station mall kind of. So cool.
Can a gas station this big?
No, it's like a gas station super mall. Oh, this is some cute clothes. Talk about baby fever. Oh wow, look at that.
What are those?
Take as many as you
What
want.
is it? What's it taste like?
These are coated in caramel and sugar.
Oh, probably
Super
so good.
sweet and highly addictive.
All right.
And I know Buc-Ee was out. I don't know if he's still out. There he is. He's right over there for
Oh,
pictures.
y'all want to go see Buc-Ee?
Yeah, let's go see Buc-Ee.
Wow.
Yay. This is like the world's biggest gas station. It's so crazy. Buc-Ee's.
I love Buc-Ee. Come on, Niall. Don't be scared. Come on, let's see Buc-Ee. Hi, Buc-Ee. Wow, is it cool? Is it cool? Say hi. Isn't that so cool? Oh, Niall, he's nice, isn't he? Oh, that's the biggest beaver you ever seen. Oh, wow.
We need a picture for your pappy. We need a picture for your pappy.
Oh my goodness. Can you get a picture? Go over there, Baba. Take a picture with Buc-Ee.
Go get a picture with Buc-Ee.
All right,
You're okay.
I'll stand with you. Come here. I'll stand with you. I got you. Look, the mom is cheese.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's so funny, man. Thank you, Buc-Ee.
Officer Police Guy.
No.
Excuse me, Mr. Officer Police Guy. She wants a sticker. Do you have stickers?
I do not. I gave the last one out about lunch.
What's your dad? Tell him what your dad does.
She's a police.
He is.
He's a police officer. So I just learned that this Buc-Ee's just opened in June. Bizarre. It's like super big, like the biggest mall.
First time, I guess?
Yeah. Biggest mall gas station I've ever been to. Incredible.
No.
They're gonna get some beef jerky. They have some turkey jerky. This smells so delicious.
I'm gonna get some Korean
You
barbecue.
guys want to go to the restroom while we're here?
Covered beaver nuggets. It's a corn puff that is glazed in maple and then finished off in dark chocolate.
So this is the checkout process. It's crazy. So many lines. So many in lines. It's crazy. Hi, your name's Kim.
My name is Kim.
How long have you worked here for?
I've been here since August.
August. Do you love it?
Yeah, it's a good place to work.
Awesome, awesome. Do you live here? Like
I
in
live
this
here in
town?
Crossville. Yeah.
Crossville, that's where we are. I was asleep during the trip, so I woke up and he said, let's go to Buc-Ee's.
Okay.
So this just opened in June?
In June, yes ma'am.
Awesome. And it's always this busy.
On Sundays, yeah. Usually Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays it slows down a little bit.
Yeah.
But when school's out,
It's packed.
It's gonna be
Because
packed.
everybody's going on the
traveling.
trip. Yeah.
We're between Nashville and Knoxville.
Yeah,
so.
that's amazing. Okay, well, it's good to have you on my interview. Can I post this on my YouTube?
Yes.
Awesome. If you want to check it out, it's Big Heads, Big Dreams.
Big heads, big dreams.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Thank you.
Never been
Thank you.
videotaped before.
You're the star. You're the star. You're probably going to be on the thumbnail.
Okay.
Tell me about the time in Buc-Ee's.
Buc-Ee's is a redneck dream. I love me some Buc-Ee's. I'll be back, Buc-Ee. We just ate. I don't have enough room for that brisket sandwich, but we gotta make a return trip. Gotta go home sometime. I'll be back. You make me, I'm gonna be hungry.
Oh, did you pay for that candy he has?
I did.
Oh my word.
I almost forgot.
Well, that was our time in Buc-Ee's. It was great. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. And don't forget to
Go to Buc-Ee's.
Go to Buc-Ee's. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Peace.